Let P be a point on the ellipse. This is major axis. Here we have a minor axis. Some point, arbitrary point, what I say, 3 cos theta, comma, 2 sin theta is a point on this ellipse. Let the line passing through P and parallel to y-axis. Right. Meets auxiliary circle. So here he given x square plus y square equal to a square, means that is an auxiliary circle. At Q. So since it is parallel, the x coordinate will be same. Once x is cos theta, y will be 3 sin theta. Q be a point at Q such that P and Q are in the same side of x-axis. Then the eccentricity of the locus of R here finally here is 3 cos theta, comma 2 sin theta. Here this is PQ here 3 cos theta, comma 3 sin theta. R is a point which divides PR is to PQ. It is 4 is to 3. Then P coordinates by section formula Lx2, that is x coordinate will not change because it is on the same line. Y coordinate 4 into 3 sin theta. Ly2 plus m by 1 by L plus m 12 plus 6 18 sin theta by 7. This point locus you have to find. So eliminate theta. Sin theta here is for all theta 7y pi 18. For all theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So x square by 9 plus 144 by 49 is equal to 1. So here it is 43. So this is 18 square. 18 square is 324 by 49. 56. So A will be greater than B. So B square is C square into, from here 324 by 49. So here it is 9 3 is 27. 1 minus C square is 1 minus 36 by 49 is C square. E will be root 13 by 7. Consider 10 observations. Here sigma I equal to 1 to n xi minus alpha is a constant, 10 alpha which is 2. Sigma I equal to 1 to n xi. Right, which is 2 plus 10 alpha. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi, 10 alpha plus 2 by mean of observations, which is 6 by 5. 10 alpha plus 2 is 12. 10 alpha is 10, alpha is 1. And variance of x plus k is variance of x. So by adding any constant like variance of x1 to x10 is same as variance of x1 minus beta, x2 minus beta, x10 minus beta. So based on that, so variance formula sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square. So it is sigma xi minus beta whole square by 10, sigma xi minus beta by 10 whole square, which he given it as 84 by 25. This he given 40, 1 by 100, sigma xi minus beta whole square, which is 84 by 25. It's 40 by 10. So 4 minus 84 by 25, sigma xi minus beta whole square, 100 minus 684, 16 by 25, sigma xi minus beta whole square. From here, 1 by 10, 4 by 5 is 1 by 10 of sigma xi minus beta. There may be two possibilities. The square it is there plus or minus 8. Sigma xi here is alpha is 1, it becomes 12. So psi 12 minus 10 beta is 8. Beta will be 4 by 10, 2 by 5. And what he's asking, beta by alpha. Another possibility is if you take minus 8, 20 is equal to 10 beta. Beta is 2. Beta by alpha will be 2 by 1 or 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is not there in the option. So first one is correct. So locus of midpoints of all chords of the circle there is a circle midpoints of all chords of the circle whose center is 0, 1. There are many chords which are passing through this 0, 0, 0. So they will have a midpoints. Again, locus will be a circle. So that the circle equation zero, 0, 0, 1 as a midpoint, x minus those as endpoints of diameter, x minus 0, x minus 0 plus y minus 0 into. So circle equation is this. Now this line x plus y equal to 1 intersects. So in place of x square, if you write 1 minus y whole square, so it is 0. plus y into y minus 1, 1 minus 1 whole square and y minus 1 whole square. One and the same. Y minus 1 to y minus 1 0. Y here is 1 comma half. Once y is 1, take the line. Y is 1, x becomes 0, point becomes y is half, x becomes half, the point is this. One is P, other is Q. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 1 by root. Third option is correct. Here alpha be a non-zero real number, F map from R to R, differentiable such that f of 0 2. Here question in the question it should be extends to minus infinity. F dash x is alpha f of x plus 3. So let fx be y. dy by dx is alpha y plus 3. dy by alpha y plus 3 is dx. Integrating log of alpha y plus 3 by alpha is x plus c. When x is 0, y of 0 is 2. That is log 2 alpha plus 3 by alpha is 0 plus c. So log of alpha y plus 3 by alpha is equal to x plus log of alpha y plus 3 by 2 alpha plus 3. 1 by alpha is x. Log of 2 alpha plus 3 is alpha x. So e power alpha x is now what we have to find out is f of minus limit extends to minus infinity. F of x is 1. Suppose alpha positive, e power alpha x as x approaches minus infinity. It becomes e power minus infinity approaches 0. So in this case, it becomes 0 alpha y plus, but as x approaches infinity, fx is nothing but y. Y approaches 1, alpha becomes minus 3. So we took alpha greater, we got alpha negative, that can't be the answer. So alpha is less than 0. E power minus alpha x, if you take 2 alpha plus 3 by alpha y plus 3 as x approaches minus infinity, it becomes 1. E power infinity 0. In such case, 2 alpha plus 3 will be 0. Alpha is minus 3 by 2. If alpha is minus 3 by 2, it won't be defined. Let us check here itself. Alpha greater than 0, e power in both cases, here if you put alpha as minus 3 by 2, it won't be defined. Log 0 you get. So there is no option. So here it should be bonus mark must be given. Here it is. F of x is 0 to x t f of t dt. F dash x will be, so Leibniz derivation, upper limit differentiating upper limit and then substituting upper value in place of t. So from here, f of x square, he given it as x power 4 plus x power 5, differentiating 4x cubed plus 5x power 4. So f dash x square equal to 2x square plus 5 by 2 x cube. So replacing x with root x, you get here 2x plus 5 by 2 root x whole cube. Right. So f dash x is x into small f of x, 2x plus 5 by 2x root x. So f of x is 2 plus sigma r from 1 to 12. F of r square will be 2 plus 5 by 2 root r square is r. Sigma r from 1 to 12. 2 is a constant. 12 times we have to add. Sum of n natural numbers, 12 into 12 plus 1 by 2. 24 plus 15 into 13. 195, which is 290. Here, he given M is a real matrix of order 2 by 1. Let us take some x comma y, 2 rows and 1 column. So M transpose becomes 1 by 2. Here it is 2 by 1. M transpose into M is xy into, it is 1 by 2, 2 by 1. Finally, after multiplication, you get 1 by 1 matrix. So he told MTM is I1, which implies x square plus y square should be 1. So x comma y, suitably I select cos theta y as sin theta. M into M transpose. M here is xy. It is 2 by 1 into 1 by 2. 2 by 2 matrix, that is cos theta sin theta, again cos theta sin theta. We'll have cos square. This is cos square theta, cos theta sin theta, sin theta cos theta, sin square. This is our MM transpose. Now here it is, A will be I2. I2 is 1001 minus cos square theta, cos theta sin theta cos theta. Here it is, which implies A will be sin square theta minus sin 2 theta by 2 minus sin 2 theta by 2 sin square theta. So after this, Ax minus lambda x, A minus lambda I of x 0 holds for some non-zero x. That means det of A minus lambda I is 0. So sin square theta minus sin 2 theta by 2 sin square theta minus lambda 0 lambda, that is 0. So sin square theta minus lambda whole square is equal to sin square 2 theta by 4. Sin square theta minus lambda as sin 2 theta by 2. I2 minus 2 mm transpose 1001 minus 2 cos square theta, 2 cos theta sin theta, which is sin 2 theta. So here you have Ax minus lambda x 0, A minus lambda I of x 0 as a solution if that is 0. So that is 1 minus 2 cos square theta minus sin 2 theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta minus lambda, so that is 0. So it is minus cos 2 theta minus lambda minus sin 2 theta. It is cos 2 theta minus lambda, whose determinant is 0. So here you have, if you take minus common, A plus B, A minus B, cos square 2 theta minus lambda square minus sin square 2 theta 0. So that is lambda here is, and he is asking sum of squares of positive values, all the values, just 2. Here L1, L2, there are 20 lines, all are distinct lines. L2n minus 1 means odd numbered lines, L1, L3 to N19 are parallel to These are all parallel. And L2N, L2, L4, L20. Here you have 10 lines. Here you have 10 lines. Passes through given point. So all lines passes through given points like this, L2 to L20. Here 10 lines, no intersection, but here another 10 lines, one point of intersection. And like this line can intersect this line at some point. That is, from these 10 lines, you can select one line. From these 10 lines, you select one line. Every combination of two lines will give you one point of intersection. That is 100 point of intersection, and this point. Totally, you have 101 lines. Here, ABC being isosceles triangle. A is -1, 0. AB and AC are equal. So this is A, this is B. Here you have a C. AB, A coordinates, and B is on positive x-axis. He told we don't know A value, but AB and AC are equal. Angle A is 120 degrees. It will be remaining is 60. Sides are equal. And BC, he given it as 4√3. Once you apply sine rule, 4√3 by sine 120 is AB by sine 30. So 2AB will be 4√3 √3 by 2. That means AB becomes 4. Once AB is 4, A plus 1 whole square is 4, which implies A plus 1 is, that is, A can be 3 or -5. He told positive x-axis. I choose B coordinates as 3, 0. So after getting B, the line BC intersects. So how do I find BC equation? It is x-axis. It is 30. It is 150. This point 3, 0. Tan slope will be tan 150 degrees. X minus 3. Tan 180 minus 30. So this is one equation. Other is y equal to x plus 3. So solving these two, we get x plus 3 as √3x plus 3 √3 is x into √3 plus 1 is x will be √3 plus 1. So once x is this, y will be x plus 3. 3 minus √3 by √3 plus 1 plus 3. So 3 root 3 get cancelled. 3 plus 3, y will be 6 by √3 plus 1. So this is our beta. Here it is alpha. So beta power 4 by alpha squared. 36 by √3 plus 1 whole square It is beta square. Again squaring 36 by root 3 plus 1 whole square by alpha square. Alpha square is 9 into 1 minus root 3 whole square by root 3 plus 1 whole square. Get cancelled. Here it is 144 by, so root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, that is 4. Get 36. This one dx by dy is 1 plus x by y minus y. Dx by dy minus 1 by y of x. Dx by dy py of x is q of y. It is a linear differential equation. Solution integral q e power integral p dy plus c. Here p of y is minus 1 by y. Integral minus y dy. E power integral p dy will be e power log y power minus 1. So x into 1 by y. Q here is 1 by y dy plus c. X by y is log y minus y plus c. Here it is, it's 1 by y, sorry. So So 1 by y minus 1 by y square. So x of y, when y is 1, x is 1. Integral 1 by y square is minus 1 by y. So c becomes 3. Then what he is asking, x of 2. So that is when y is 2, minus half minus 2 plus 3, 1 minus 1 by 2. So x of 2 is 1. Here y is equal to root x plus 1. If you take root common, root x whole cube is x root x plus x. Root x plus 1 into root x, it's of a cube minus b cube. Root x whole square plus x root x plus 1 by root x if you take common. So x plus root x plus 1 plus 1 by 15 So y becomes x minus 1 plus 1 by 15 minus 5 cos cube x. Y dash will be 1, 15 cos power 4x minus 15 cos square x. 15 cos square x sin x if you take common. So it's 1 by 15 get cancelled. Cos square x into sin cube x. So y dash at 5 by 6 cos 60 cos 30 root 3 by 2. So 35 by 30. 96 y dash 5 by 6. 35 by 30. Get 105. Sum of squares of all possible values of k. So this type of problems are there. Don't try to attempt. So which takes lot of time. So here you have two parabolas. Y square is 2 times so it is 2 by k y minus 2x by k. So x here is 2y square by k, which is from here 2x by k is 2y by k minus y square. 2y minus ky square by 4y square is k times 2 minus ky into y. So if you take y common, 4y minus 2k plus k square y, 0. Y is 0. Y is 2k by k square plus 4. Now y square equal to k by 2x. Parabola like this. And other one, so y square is minus x. They are intersecting at origin. Y square equal to minus x will be something like this. So what you have to find out is this area. At this point y0, x also y0, x0, this point. So where they intersect. At this point y value is 2k by k square plus 4. Let me name it as L. So integral x dy gives you area between this is area 0 to L. This is dominating curve. So x here is how much? 2y minus ky square by x will be y minus ky square by 2. That gives you this total area minus 0 to L. Area under this y square equal to k by 2x, that is 2y square by k dy. 0 to L, y minus ky square minus 2y square by k dy minus k by 2 y cube by 3 between 0 to L L square by 2 minus 2L cube by 3k. One by 2 minus KL by 6 minus 2L by, so here L square. L value is 2k by k square plus 4. Three times k square plus 4 minus L square 3 times k square plus 4. So which is L square by 6. So it's 1 by 6. 2k by k square by 4 whole square. So it is in the format 1 by k square by 2k plus 4 by 2k. It is of the format a by b plus b by a. That minimum is when a equal to b. Then you will get a total function as maximum. So a is maximum if k by 2 plus 2 by k is minimum, which is possible when this k square is 4. He is asking sum of squares of k value, that is 2 square plus minus 2 whole square. Answer is 8. With 3 points, zero, zero, and a square. Here you have a curve. That is y equal to x square curve. So somewhere here, minus b, here it's minus b comma b square. Here at this point you have a comma a square. So this is what he told. PQ, area of the region bounded by PQ and the parabola, means this area. So that area can be found. Shaded region area is x value minus b to a. QP as a function of x, its a slope is a square minus b square by a plus b, a minus b. That is line equation. Y minus a is a minus b into x minus a. Y will be a square plus a minus b of x minus a minus b to a, area under the parabola x square dx. So after simplification, a square minus a square a minus bx minus a square plus ab dx minus x cubed by 3 between. So this one minus B to A plus AB here it is A minus B A square minus A cube plus B cube by 3. So A plus B, A minus B whole square by 2 plus AB minus after simplification A plus B into A square plus B square by 2 minus 3A cube 3AB square B cube by 2, which is so this is so now let us find out another area. S2 here minus B square 0 0 A comma A square. When 0 0 is there, product of extremes minus product of means, which is so S1 by S2 will be 6 into AB into A plus B by 2. So here you get A plus B, finally A plus B whole square by so this is 1/3 A by B plus B by A plus 2. So minimum will be A by B plus B by them applying AM greater than GM. So it becomes 4 by 3. These two GCD is 1, M plus N becomes 7. Here it is mirror image of the point 349. Here is you have a line. Here is a point 349. So the line equation, so any point on the line, now to find image, we have to find p-value, then we can find image. So this is AB. DRs of AB will be just a difference. So AB will be perpendicular to the line. Line DRs are 3 to 1. AB perpendicular to L means dot product 0. 4P minus 10 plus P minus 7, 13, 14P minus 16, 23. So P here 23 by 14. So now image will be, let us calculate first B coordinates. 3 into 23 by 14 plus 1, 2 into 23 by 14 minus 1 plus 2. Here it is alpha plus 3 by 2 is 83 by 14, which is equal to here 69 plus 83 by 14, 26 minus 14, 46, 32 by 14, 51 by 14. Beta plus 4 by 2 is this. Gamma plus 9 by 2 is 51 by 14. So 83 by 7, 32 by 7 minus 4. Gamma is 51 by 7, 21. 4 by 7, gamma is 63. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is 68 minus 56, we get here 56, right? Fourteen times alpha plus beta plus gamma is 108. Here coefficient of seventh and this one is, after simplification, 2 by 3x plus 1 power 18 6 power 18 x power 12. So to get seventh term, so this will be the denominator is there for everything. 2 power 18 and 2 power 12. The 13th term, 6 3 power 12. So he is asking n by m. This is m, this is n. So n by m will be 18C12 2 power 6 3 power 12. NCR is same as NCN minus R. N by M whole power 1 by 3 is 3 power 6 2 power 6 by. So you get here 3 square, right? Here it is. Let us take A is for some A. Suppose A is even. F of A becomes f of A is here A minus 1. A is even. A minus 1 is odd. Once it is odd, we get f of 2 times A minus 1. So 2 times is there, it becomes even. So substituting there, we get 2A minus 3. So 2A minus 3 here is 21. We get A as 12. Limit extends to 12 minus x by 12. X approaches 12 minus mod x by 12. X by 12 will be less than 1. Sep of x by 12 is 0. 12 cubed by 12, which is 12 square, 144.